Hi guys, it's Kim and I am here to declutter and clean my pantry out. Excuse the hair and the makeup and everything. My 7-month-old hasn't been sleeping for 4 months now, so some days this is as good as it can get. But I need to get this pantry cleaned out because it's a mess. So let me just kind of show you what we're working with. So I have our kitchen here, and then this little closet over here is our pantry. I built these shelves myself because when we moved in, there were really deep shelves in here, like the whole way. And it was impossible to find anything. So I made shorter shelves and then have these side shelves along. And it has been working amazingly, except one of them just fell over. So this is the mess that we're dealing with. I'm gonna take everything out of here and then find a home for everything and fix that shelf.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, that was a big job. So I got everything out. Took about a half an hour to do that, and this is the aftermath. I'm going to give all these shelves a really good wipe down. Okay, so now we're gonna attempt to fix this shelf.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Okay, so here is the final product. It isn't super fancy looking, but it's very organized and only has... Oh, hi Jade. What do you think of the pantry?
Good.
All right. So down on the bottom shelf I have my Instant Pot and a hand mixer, and then in the back are like the party supplies. And I took the sodas and the water out of the containers and put them on the floor down there. And then this shelf here is all snacks and breakfast cereals and oatmeals. And then this are our nuts. I'm going to take all these large packages and make them into smaller like trail mix bags. On these little baskets I have just quick granola bars for myself and my daughter. And then we have just like our vitamins and stuff that we take over here. On this shelf is pastas and grains and canned goods. This little shelf is our candies, and here are things that I have an oversupply of, and like convenience box things will go on this shelf. I don't have a lot of that right now. And then up here are all my baking supplies. I have my flour and sugar in these bigger containers from IKEA, and then this is brown sugar and powdered sugar, and then behind them are like the bulk containers of them. And then just more baking supplies over here. I put my teas in these little things from the dollar store. And that's a lot easier for me to access them and to actually see the different types of teas I have. I hope this gave you some motivation to clean out your pantry, and I will see you for the next one.
Boo!
Can you say thanks for watching?